So hello guys and welcome to the new vlog, and today's vlog is going to be very enjoyable guys. And by the way, also I am feeling a little bit shy because there are lots of people just in front of me, and along with them I am walking here. By the way, right now we are going to go shopping to the market, and that is 20 to 25 minutes will take to get there. By the way, it's windy right now. Now as you can see my hair and his shirt is flying, right? Okay, so by the way, I wanna show you the view of this place, guys. So now, as you can see, just around me, there, this is the place where we work. As you can see, the view of this place, right? And up with distance, we are working, right? And especially at this plant. And here, all of my friends, we all are going to the market to buy something, especially to celebrate 1st January, right? And here some of the people are working with the bulldozer and the truck. So by the way, as I told you earlier, that this video is going to be super helpful, because in this video I am going to teach a lot of English sentences related to eating something, right? Such as today we are going to eat like chicken, right? So while eating or cooking, I have to speak a lot of English sentences, even some of the complicated sentences. But if you guys are watching this video till the very end, then I'm sure you are also going to express those sentences, whatever you need to speak while eating something, right? Okay guys, so this is the place that looks pretty good, so I wanna take a picture of this place. Okay, so here just in front of me there is a huge bulldozer called JCB, and here there is a garden. And just in front of me there is a fence, or this is the wall, and that we have to cross, right? Jol chore, and it's my turn. Jai Shri Ram. And this is the guy I showed you many a time, but he always talking with someone on a phone, and like always he is still talking on a phone, right? By the way, here there is a jungle all around me, right? And here is my son. Okay guys, so I don't think there will be any. Okay guys, so while commuting here, I see right over here there are some of the students or people, and they are playing cricket. By the way, playing cricket is my favorite sport, right? By the way, what's your? Please let me know in the comment below. Right here there is a car, and another one is also coming, and I think there are some of the people inside in this car, and they have come to play cricket maybe, but I'm not sure why they have come here, right? Or why they are coming. Okay, so here there is a muddy road, right? Okay guys, so here for a while I would like to stop recording, because if I will show you everything, then this vlog will be too much longer, right? But I don't want to make this vlog too much longer, right? And also you are not gonna guys watch, right, if I will make this vlog unnecessarily longer, right? Okay, so that is why for a while I would like to stop recording until I get to our destination. So but keep on watching. Okay guys, so finally we are about to reach to the busy road. Means, as you can see, this is the road, and here is a highway, by the way, right? And just behind me there is a garage where they are repairing cars, right? For truck or sometimes JCB even, right? And here this is the flower. So right now we have to cross this road, but before we crossing this road, first we have to look for cars, so that to avoid incident, right? Okay, so finally we just crossed this road, and now there is a flower, right? And walking in the sidewalk. Oh my god, I think this one is the tallest building right over here, but I'm not sure is it tallest or there are lots of apart from it. Okay, so by the way, I want to have a selfie to add on a thumbnail. Okay guys, so here one of my friend has gone to the shop, this mobile shop. Okay guys, now I'm going to show you one thing. There is a hen, and he has bought to celebrate 1st January, right? You guys want to know the reason why we are staying here? Actually, one of my friends, circle, and he needs money. So that is why he wants to give his phone to the shopkeeper, to the mobile shopkeeper, and the mobile shopkeeper give him money, right? Because he has an emergency. So that is why, right? Means here in Mumbai there is a solution. If you need sometimes money, then you can grab money by giving your phone. Actually, I stopped while speaking because some of the people are watching me while speaking. So that is why I am feeling shy, and because of my shyness, I stopped while speaking. Here, as you can see, just around me, there are some of the people and who are watching. Okay, guys. So right now we are walking inside Mumbai, but I'm not sure where this place called. Right? Because in this place, I am here for the first time walking and visiting. But here, the interesting thing is all around me there are buildings. Right now, as you can see, right. By the way, I love this kind of place where there are lots of buildings here. Guys, we are still wandering here and there. Actually, my friend, yes, the red one, his work didn't successful, so that is why we are still wandering here and there. Okay, so by the way, guys, here there are lots of buildings here. I wanna show you.
guys, बढ़िया वीडियो बना रहा भाई, लाइक करना।
Like again, here there is a road. Just we are about to cross this road, but here, wow, guys, right over here there is a huge building. Just cross all of this road. Oh my God, there is a road. It's huge. Wow. But here I want to take a selfie here. Hey, could you please take a picture of me? Okay guys, so right now I just took a selfie, but I didn't like it properly. But here again there is a huge door. I don't think this is the tallest one, but I want to show you guys. Oh my God. Okay guys, so today we are actually exploring new places. So now finally, and they have got me to the Baman Degree, and the station called Baman Degree station, and here I'm gonna show you. Wow, there just behind me there are some of the people playing badminton, and here Baman Degree station, as you can see. Okay guys, so just after having rest a little bit, then we are straight going to the chicken store. Yes, to buy chicken to celebrate to 1 January. So people watching, guys. So yes, right now as you can see, here there are lots of shops. This is the vegetable store, and there are lots of vegetables such as potatoes, garlic, onion. There are many more. Let's take a look. I'm going to show you there are lots of vegetables here in this carrot, potatoes and onion, kobe, cabbage and eggplants and bitter gourd and chili, peppers, pointed gourd, radish, beet, tomatoes and many more things. Oh my God, just in front of me right here there is a huge, wow. Okay guys, so just after buying something here, some of the vegetables, and right now we are heading to the chicken shop. Guys, finally we have come to the chicken shop to buy something. Right now I'm going to show you here. Eggs. Some of their spices. Just after shopping or buying something for the 1st January, and right now we are heading home. And by the way, home, I mean to say to our room, right? And by the way, we are about to reach to the place where we live. And now a bit distant there is room, right? Yeah. So let us first head to the place, and then I will show you the cooking process, right? So please keep on watching. And again, this is the guy who always talking on a phone with her girlfriend. Sorry, with his girlfriend. Okay guys, so finally we are entering our room. Okay, I keep it here. It has chicken feet and here a whole chicken, right? Okay, so first off I would like to take off my shoes here and to my socks. Okay, I just kept it here, and right now we all are here available to this room.
अरे यार ये समझो पंचिंग हो गया सबका अभी जब तक लाइट नहीं आएगी.
So right now I am going to the faucet or the washroom to wash my feet. So first of all I would like to wear some slippers and then heading to the faucet. Okay, right now I'm going to show you. There are 4 to 5 washroom here, right? And I can enter any one of them. Okay, I turn it on. Okay, so first off I would like to roll up my sleeves. I am drying off my face.
तुम बहुत नाइंसाफी हो, पहली बात सुन लो.
Okay guys, so the power just came right now. They are making fun, by the way. Ah, sorry. So now I am going to show you the action of removing this unnecessary skin of this chicken feet, right? Now as you can see right over here, and he brought a new phone today, by the way. कौन सा phone है? Okay, show me the back side of this phone. Okay guys, this phone my friend he has bought for 13,000 rupees. This phone cost 30,000 rupees. And also my mobile have not enough charge, so that is why for the further vlog I would like to give it to the charge for a while. Right now I just took this sack. You know why I took this sack? I took this sack is because in the another room and our meal is there, right? So that is why right now we are going to get our meal from this sack, right? ढुकाना रे नो गो नहीं,
हम अपने साथ गुले जाएंगे बागेरा ट्रेन.
We have brought our chicken to wash here. My friend Pradeep is washing the chicken feet. And by the way, here I would say guys one thing: if you guys love it, then it's okay. You love to watch this kind of vlog. But if you hate eating chicken, then I would say sorry to you guys. Okay, here it has feet only, right? And in this envelope, it has the whole body of chicken that we are gonna cook a few moments later. The guy is chopping onion. So first off, it is necessary to remove the unnecessary skin of this onion. And then what is this? Oh, again this is onion, and it has coriander. And now another thing I am going to show you. Oh my God, it's potato. By the way, I don't like it. And actually, this guy wanted to show you guys his body. And by the way, I wanted to show you guys that do you guys love eating this tomato? Please let me know in the comment below. And I'm gonna show you guys one thing that a few moments later I'm gonna show you that this onion, chopping onion can hit your eyes. Means chopping onion can make you cry. I'm going to show you guys a bit later. And everyone is watching me. Now I'm gonna check your vocabulary. Actually, I'm gonna play a little game here, right? and you have to name it. What this is called in English. By the way, this is called ginger, right? But another thing, what this is called in English, please let me know in the comment below. And right now there are two people who are making who are cooking their vegetable, and just after them it's our turn. Right, so finally our veggie is almost ready. So now I'm gonna show you. Wow, it will be delicious, I think, just by looking. And here this is called, what this is called, lettuce. Wow, a few moments later we are gonna have it. So wait for the moment to see the eating process. Okay guys, so finally it's time to showing our process. Okay, so right now Biswajit, he is serving, and now guys, in this envelope here it has our meal. And what it has, by the way, this is called the mango pickle, and first I have to tear it off, right? And here what this is called, these are called notch, and this notch will help you to tear it off, right? And right now I'm gonna pour it here. It has bread and rice and vegetable, it will be here, and vegetable and plus it means dal, right? Yeah, that's it. And by the way, it will take few minutes to untie, right? Okay, first I'm gonna untie, then I will show you next. So wait for a few moments guys. First I'm gonna have or eat breads here. Okay, actually I am having trouble to untie with one hand. I just untie this paper, right? And here it has, there are 5 breads here. So first I'm gonna finish it, then I'm gonna move to the rice. And rice, it has rice. Do you guys able to see? And it has dal, and that is called plus, and it has vegetable. And as I showed you, this is called the pickle, a pouch of pickle. And here this is the expensive vegetable called chicken. Okay guys, so first, okay, let's start eating this and let's try. Yummy taste. Okay guys, this is actually the end clip of this video. So here, from here I would like to stop recording guys, because I don't think I can teach you anything, right, further. So that is why from here I would like to stop recording guys. And I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. And by the way, at the end, Happy New Year to all of you guys and to your family. Okay, that's about today, and bye bye.